What is up YouTube? For today's content, I will be doing a review of my YAMAHA PACIFICA 120H. This guitar right here. For a quick recap, I purchased this guitar last 27th of May 2019, and for general impression, this guitar sounds and plays really well, and I will be going through the specs of this guitar. I'll be starting on the headstock. On the headstock, it has a die-cast tuner, and on the front of the headstock, a Yamaha logo and Pacifica detail. Here we have a nut made up of urea. I just look up on the Yamaha websites for the specs. And for the neck, it has a rosewood fingerboard with 22 medium fret wires, and the neck has a maple wood with satin polyurethane finish. This fingerboard has 13 3/4 diameter, meaning it has a slightly modern curve. So if you are into middle of vintage and modern, this neck will really suits you. For the body of this guitar, we have an alder wood. I believe Fender also uses alder on their Stratocaster guitar. I think the alder wood provides a vintage tone on a guitar. Tone wood ika nga. So for the electronics naman, punta tayo ng electronics. It has two humbucker pickup, Alnico. Both are Alnicos, and both are also called splittable with the master tone, master volume, 3-way toggle switch, bridge, both pickups and neck, and a 3-ply black pickguard. It has a string-through body construction, and it has a hardtail. The string-through body configuration gives this guitar ample amount of sustain. I just did a little modification on this guitar. I replaced the master volume with a CTS pot. When I purchased this, it is equipped with alpha pots, but I really like the taper of CTS pots. That's why I replaced it. And I also installed a treble bleed on the master volume, or on the volume of this guitar, so that it will retain its high-end frequency for doing a slightly breakup to overdrive tone using a pedal or a amp. I will still retain the high end. And for the sound demo, I'll just show you the tones that it can offer.